Hi, I'm Blake Alexander, and this is my intro video, Module 1 for AEP 859. A little bit about me. I'm 33 years old. I've been married to my wife, Hannah, for 5 years. We have two sons, um, a 2-year-old and a 2-month-old, and I graduated from Kansas State University in 2011 with a degree in elementary education. Work. I currently work in Topeka, Kansas, a State Street Elementary School. It is in USD 501. This is my ninth year teaching. I taught in the classroom for 3 years as a math interventionist and as a fourth grade teacher. And then for the last 6 years, I've been teaching PE at State Street. Besides teaching, I also am the defensive coordinator for Topeka High's football team, and I also coach track at Topeka High. So goals, my short-term goals, first, is finishing my master's. It's something that I only have about 3 classes left, so I'm looking forward to getting that done. And really just trying to balance my busy lifestyle between coaching and two kids and trying to get schoolwork done. Long-term goals, one's just to take on more leadership roles. It's kind of what I'm starting now. I'm just going to keep doing that until I get my master's done, just to get hours and gain experience. And then eventually, I want to, become a building leader, whether it be an athletic director or assistant principal or something along those lines in the future. And what I hope to learn in this class, I just hope to learn more on what it takes to implement a curriculum and the processes to go about it. I know in our district we do change it a lot, and some teachers get frustrated with it. And I'm just kind of wanting to learn a little bit more about that and how it's implemented. Also, in the importance of staying up to date. That's something I already read in the first part of our book is are we getting our kids ready for the world that we live in? And then I also look forward to, kind of how the evaluations work behind the scenes. I know how they work on my side, but from the other end, how it looks, and also the legal aspects of, just curriculum and evaluations. And that's my presentation. Thanks for watching.